Just you dare, she said with a glare, unless you want a clout. And we are singing, it's Leslie's birthday, so hip hip hooray for Leslie G. For Bob's 50th off to Thailand, this was Leslie's treat. A beautiful young lady strutted over them to greet. Bob rubbed his hands and licked his lips in high anticipation. This lady fancied Leslie, though, to Bob's irritation. And we were singing, it's Leslie's birthday, so hip hip hooray for Leslie G. 10 years ago, Leslie's 60th, away in the Azores, relaxing in a heaven on earth, away from household chores. Swimming with the dolphins, her heart's desire did meet. Take it from me, the talk of the sea was that it was the dolphins' treat. And we are singing, it's Leslie's birthday, so hip hip hooray for Leslie G. Once more, and we